Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on on a YouTube channel. So you can see that I'm right now in my YouTube. So to do that, first of all, click on your YouTube channel icon and then go to YouTube Studio. So you can see that I'm doing that on my desktop. You can do same. Alright, now I'm in my YouTube channel dashboard. Now scroll down and you can see here sharing option. Just click on the sharing button. Alright, now go to community. Okay, now hit on the default button and you can see here that now you can choose your comment. So if you have disabled comment, so you can just allow comment and then click on the save button. That's it. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up and stay tuned with 1 Minute School.